I am Sam, your teacher. Sam, my teacher. Sammy, teacher. You probably learned that anything to the zero power equals 1, except when the base equals 0. But why? Why does anything to the zero power always equal 1? Is there any reason for that? Is there any way to prove it? Of course there is. But before we get right into it, I need to talk about a couple of exponent rules that you should also be aware of. The first rule is that when you multiply two numbers with equal bases, you can add the exponents. Here's an example. A cube multiplied by a squared means that there are 3 a's being multiplied here and 2 a's being multiplied here. So altogether there are 5 a's being multiplied, which is a to the 5th power. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. The second rule is that when you have a certain base with a negative exponent, you can change that to positive exponent. You can change the sign, opposite sign, but it'll be reciprocated, which means the numerator and denominator will be switched. Now, remembering these two rules, let me try to simplify this expression. Using the first rule we talked about, I can rewrite this into a to the m power, and I can add this exponent to this one. So it will be m plus negative m, which is same thing as a to the m minus m, and which is same thing as a to the 0. Now I'm going to simplify the same expression, but this time I'm going to use the second approach. So I can rewrite this expression as a to the m power multiplied by, since this is negative exponent, I'm going to rewrite it as 1 over a to the positive m. And as you can see, they cancel each other. So it is reduced to 1. Now I started with same expression and used two different approaches. And one approach ended up with a to the 0 power, and the other ended up with 1. And if the same expression ended up with 1 and the other, then we can conclude that these two equal to each other as well. Then we can reach the conclusion that anything to the 0 power equals 1, which is called zero exponent rule. If this video helped you understand zero exponent rule, please subscribe this newborn channel. And please press the bell button to be notified with any new video that I upload. If you press the like button, even better. Thank you.